Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2020 Porsche Cayenne S. This one's gray. Underneath the hood's a V6 twin turbo pushing out 434 horsepower. For wheels we've got 21-inch wheels. The tires are in good condition. Red leather interior. Pano sunroof. Rear climate controls, rear heated seats. USB ports, rear spoiler, Cayenne S badging, trailer hitch, power liftgate, set of clean floor mats, fold down rear seats, cargo cover, keyless entry, Bose sound system, power windows, power seats, memory seats. Hopping in, we've got our steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, paddle shifters for extra performance, our different driving modes on the steering wheel, navigation. Let's go ahead and start it up. Rear view backup camera with sensors. Hard keys for a media display, dual climate controls, heated and cooled seats. This Cayenne S has 916 miles. Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this Porsche Cayenne S, check out feldmannimports.com.